This is why you should never underestimate the power of scientific discovery. Join us as we celebrate a visionary in medicinal chemistry. Experience the story behind groundbreaking research at the University of Uyo. The acting vice-chancellor, Professor Samuel Odwumi, cordially invites the university community and the general public to the 126th Inaugural Lecture of the University of Uyo, to be delivered by Professor Olorunfemi Abraham Eseyin. Professor Eseyin is a renowned scholar in pharmaceutical and medicinal chemistry, serving in the Faculty of Pharmacy. Born on September 13, 1966, Professor Eseyin holds distinguished degrees from the University of Sokoto, the University of Lagos, and the University of Calabar, and completed his postdoctoral fellowship at University Sains, Malaysia. With over 110 scientific publications, his pioneering research advances natural product chemistry and drug discovery, especially in the fight against malaria and diabetes. Beyond academia, he is a devoted Christian leader, author, and mentor. Join us for his inaugural lecture From Molecules to Medicines, a medicinal chemist's journey in Nigerian drug discovery. Thursday, January 29, 2026, at 3 p.m., 1,000-seater TETFund Auditorium, University of Uyo. Announced by Mrs. Blossom Okori, Registrar and Secretary to Senate.
Traditions for generations to come.